Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use sticker features in WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So I'm going to opening a conversation here and I'm tapping on this emoji icon and I'll tap on this sticker icon and here you will get some sticker. Tap the sticker which you want to send and to add more sticker on this conversation, tap on this plus icon. Now from here you can download any sticker by clicking on this download icon next to the sticker and tap on my stickers, and here you'll find your all stickers. And to delete any sticker, simply click on this delete button, delete. So that's how we can use sticker features in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to do it. Thank you for watching.